Hi, I'm Profe, and I've been teaching Spanish since 2000. I have a Teachers Pay Teachers store for Spanish teachers, and I create these videos to share new activity ideas that you can use in your Spanish classroom tomorrow morning. So, if you've seen my store before, you know that I have thousands of products, and I know that it's really easy to get lost in the options. Not only am I overproductive, but I'm also overly organized as well. So if you click below, you can find free product guides to help you find the activities for the topic that you are teaching this week. You can also follow my store to get announcements about upcoming sales.
Some of my favorite creative activities are the fill-in stories. When you download one of these, you get a PDF and editable version of the story, blank comic strips for drawing afterwards, and instructions for you as the teacher. Right away, you're going to have students fold their paper tri-fold, so all they see is the parts of speech prompt list. They're going to fill in a person, a verb in whatever verb tense you're looking at, a noun, an adjective, etc. Then they unfold it so they can see the fill-in story, and they fill in the blanks with their clues that they came up with. From there, you've got lots of options. For sure, you want to have students read their story to a partner so they get some speaking and listening practice, but you can also let them illustrate them or use an app like EduCreations to narrate it and create a video to go with it. That way they're also getting presentational speech practice and an artistic outlet for your artistic learners. Here's what I think you're going to love about the fill-in stories. You just print and go and you have kids engaged for the whole hour. They are editable, so you can tweak them as you wish. It makes a great station activity. You do have the option of doing a presentation with it. It allows your students to be creative, to be artistic. They're using all four modalities because they're reading, they're writing, they're listening, and they're speaking, and it can supplement any textbook that you're using.
Whenever you buy Spanish activities from my store, you will get detailed instructions for you and for your students so that you can be ready to roll tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel like you have one more tool for your teacher's toolbox. If you have any questions, my email is down below.